plate looks. Lovely, juicy, and delicious. Hi folks, I'm always doing these impromptu little videos of things that I'm preparing. So this is my husband's lunch today. I bought some really nice wholemeal bread rolls. So I'm going to toast these up and then I'm going to put them with my vegan beef burger, which I have a video that's going to be going up showing you how to do it. But if you see, there's a lovely texture there. It's got a nice bounce. Let's see if I can show you a little bit more. It tears nicely, it's meaty. As you can see, it's really juicy. So when I cook this and warm it up, it's not going to be any smaller in size. It will keep its same size, and as you can see, that'll go really nicely with this. I'm gonna put a bit of salad and some sauce and bits and bobs, so have a look. Okay, let's get to cooking. This is already cooked. It's steamed in order to get to this point, but it's cold, right? So I wanna get it into the skillet with a very low heat, a little bit of oil in the pan. And I'm gonna let that just gently warm. Doesn't need to be on a high heat. If you warm seitan on a high heat, it does take away from the texture. It becomes a bit more tough because of the expansion. So you want to always try to keep it on a pretty low heat. So I'm just going to warm it for about maybe 3 minutes or so on each side. But most important, I'm just controlling the temperature. And I've got a lid on it. I'm going to leave a very slight crack. And I'll let that just warm gently, and then I'll turn it over in a couple minutes. Okay, those are good and ready, so let's get them out and replace them with the burger buns. So hubby actually can only eat one of these, and I've decided I'm going to have something else for lunch. So I've got these burger buns sprayed with some coconut oil, just toasting nicely, and I want to show you what the beef looks like, the beef burger, now that it's out. Okay, so this is the burger, and I want to show you it's nice and warm. Look how beautifully that just comes apart. Lovely, lovely. It's textured, as you can see, it's nice and juicy. And you've got those shreds inside, which gives a really nice bite. Sometimes when people make seitan, it's like just a slab. There's no texture and interlacing. This is what you get even with a burger steak. And if you wanted to eat this as a steak, it's perfectly fine to do so. And you can see here everywhere, you got that lovely texture there that comes with my beef recipe. All right, let's put this all together. And right now I've got some of my homemade fries. I make big batches of homemade fries. So these are in the air fryer. I just portion them out and freeze them. So they're in the air fryer for 7 minutes or so. So yeah, hold on a moment. Okay, let's go. We've got our beautifully toasted bun. Got our burger here. So I'm going to start with some barbecue sauce. The one that I use that doesn't seem to be problematic, I kind of like the flavor of it, is Del Monte. My hubby really likes barbecue sauce, so I'm going to use a bit more of that. And I actually put some honey in with it as well, so it's kind of like honey barbecue sauce. Alright, then I'm going to put the burger on top. Going to hit it with a little bit of, and you can put whatever you want on your burger. I'm just doing a really simple one. Gonna hit it with some scallions, a little fresh onion flavor. And I've mentioned these before in my videos, but these fried shallots are almost always finished in my house. So how many of them I buy, I always just use it all out. They give an amazing crunch and umami flavor. Gonna give that a little bit of nutritional yeast on top for a little cheesiness. And even though it's dry, it doesn't actually matter, it's fine. All right, let's go in with a little bit of lettuce. And then hit that with the top. And just to be fancy, I'm gonna put this stick in, and it's got some pineapples on top. So that's a nice look. All right, last thing to go in is gonna be our French fries, which are homemade. So we just cut up the fries and then season them. And that makes a nice plate. Okay, so that's it. That is the burger and fries along with my pizza. I already ate a slice, that's kind of why it looks like it's missing some. But I want to give you another little look of how the plate looks. Lovely, juicy and delicious. Anyway, I hope you get to have something lovely for lunch. Have a delicious day. We're going to go and eat now. There's something on Netflix calling our name. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Remember to subscribe, comment below, and stay delicious.